Achieving success in today's complex world of construction demands smarter, faster, and less error-prone tools than plumb bobs and tape measures. Being able to take the design to the field with high accuracy at a pace that can overcome unforgiving timelines and last-minute changes has become the benchmark. Requiring only one person to operate, the Leica iCON iCT30 construction layout tool makes layout tasks extremely efficient, freeing up valuable crew members to perform other tasks. Construction environments are often busy and challenging, causing the prism to lose line of sight. In this situation, having a layout tool that is smart enough to anticipate your movement and reacquire lock prevents you from having to slow down. While having a smart layout tool that keeps you moving forward without losing a step is important, it is only part of the story. Being easy to set up and operate is the other. The intuitive touchscreen interface of the iCT30's field controller allows you to easily interact with the design layout, helping you move from point to point with confidence. This encourages team members of all skill levels to pick up and go with the iCT30. Referencing a 3D model in the field provides a visual point of reference that helps to understand complex layouts at a glance. And with reflectorless operation, the iCT30 can go anywhere you can, eliminating the need for awkward workarounds, tools like plumb bobs, or help from others, keeping you moving from point to point. The ultimate versatility, invaluable quality, and the comforting dependability of the iCT30 by Leica Geosystems enables every team member to deliver with confidence. Rethink what's possible.